Hi. Hello everyone, this is Aditya. How are you? I hope you all guys are good. Now we discuss about the IQ version, IQ, how the evolution is happened and coming back and I like to say only one thing. Basically, IQ making a good performance in the designing side and the performance side. Let's check a bit from the past to now. So the IQ improved a lot while coming to the display side and as well the process side. Now in IQ over 13 is okay, betterly providing IQ 13 is 6000 mAh battery while coming to the performance is really good and as well as the display side and the RAM and the ROM is really pretty good from this side. Vertically they're changing a lot from the design, so they improved a lot from the design. Now it coming to improve a camera version. Those are really good 50 MP camera as well as some depth cameras etc is there. While coming to the connectivity side, these all things are really good and up to the mark and really very good. And while coming to the display side and as well as the RAM and the multimedia and the stereo speakers and some Dolby Vision and these all things are coming from the IQ 13 and they're improving a lot in the future we think. And this is our video. If you like this video, please like, share, comment and do subscribe. We are telling again and again, please do subscribe. We are working hard and we move on. Thank you so much. Please do support. Thank you.